Elizabeth, how's it going?
Good, thank you. How are you too?
I'm well, I'm well. Thank you for giving me five. One time.
Yeah.
It's good to see you. Where are you joining us from?
So I'm joining you from the UK, Manchester currently, but I shuffled Manchester and Bradford. So yeah,
Awesome, awesome. We love Manchester and
yeah.
would love to visit Bradford one day as well.
Hopefully,
All right, you ready to jump into it?
yeah. Let's go.
All right, let's do it. So, thank you again for joining us for Give Me Five. I'm very interested to hear about your journey to open source and why open source matters to you, Elizabeth.
My journey to open source and data science is not a very linear one that everyone would expect because I come from a background of archaeology. My BSc was in archaeology. I'd always be thankful to the PyData community and open source for bringing me to where I am currently. So in uni, then during my archaeology and anthropology days, I found a passion for writing. So I dived into digital marketing and content writing. Then I came into the UK for my conversion course in applied artificial intelligence and data science at the University of Bradford, where I found out that I needed a community to help me find my balance easily because I was coming from a very non-technical background, and imagine throwing me into writing all of the codes on Python and all of that felt very strange for me. While searching for communities, I found out there was no serious community like that in Bradford, and I saw PyData community worldwide. I wrote the application to PyData worldwide to start PyData Bradford on the basis of that course in my uni because I knew there were so many people in my position that needed community, that needed people around them to support. And yes, we were approved. We started PyData Bradford with the help of John Carney from PyData Manchester. And we had our first meetup, and it was amazing. We had people that were open to teaching people. We had people from every walk of career level. We had beginners. We had mentors. We had people that were job searching, and it's been fun learning tools together, networking. And I say that's the best part of PyData, talking to new people. People are excited to talk when they are stressed after a long day at work. So that's what it's been for me.
Thank you for that reflection, Elizabeth. And I love that you went from someone in search of a data science community to co-founder of a data science community, PyData Bradford. What advice would you give your younger self or anyone new in the space that's on a on a similar journey that you took?
So my advice to my younger self would always be to always go for it. Like, don't be shy, don't be afraid. Because when I found out about the PyData community, it took being bold to say I would start. Like, when you decide, yes, I want to start something, I want to be the pioneer of something. And as an international student, I had so many other things that I could. There were many reasons not to start, to be honest, but then I was bold. If I'm off community, I'm a very shy person. I'm an extremely shy person. So I would always tell my younger self, be bold, always go for it. Don't be shy. Talk to people. Talking to people would change a lot for you.
I love that. I love that. Yeah, it makes me think of the quote, closed mouths don't get fed, right? We got to put ourselves out there and yeah, talk to people is extremely important. Uh, can you, whether it's PyData Bradford or your day to day, what are you currently building and how can NumFOCUS and the PyData community support you?
Um, yeah, I'm building. couple of things currently, but I would say the most pressing one that I feel that I feel NumFOCUS can support with would be the community. One of our biggest issues have been finding speakers because Bradford is a small town in between Leeds and Manchester, right? So sometimes to get speakers that would come in to speak can be very, very difficult. So I don't know if it would be possible for NumFOCUS to have like a speaker bank where we can easily have, when you're short of speakers, we always have people come to us to say, oh, I want to speak. And there are just sometimes that you will be like, oh, we need a speaker, and it can be really difficult having to send cold emails to potential speakers and all of that. So if we had a speaker bank somewhere where we have it nice and easy, oh, I need a speaker. Oh, I don't focus. Can you get me one? Something like that. So I think it would be very, very helpful.
Thank you so much for your time on Give Me Five.
Mhm.
Uh, before we go, can you give me five one more time? Awesome.
Thank you for having me.
Gimme 5 is a NumFOCUS production. Support open source software today by donating at numfocus.org.